y'all, so today we are going to be making lemon poppy seed cookies. For this, we have sugar, we have flour, we have some butter, we got a couple lemons, we have some poppy seeds, some vanilla, an egg, baking soda, baking powder. But before we get to making this, we're on the road to 500 subscribers. If you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, we have a cup of sugar at room temperature. It's been softening for quite a while. Now we're going to take a cup of sugar, and we want to get these well blended together. Alright, so once we have this well blended together, we're going to take 2 teaspoons of our vanilla extract and our 1 egg. Now we're going to go ahead and get this mixed in. Now we're just going to take our 2 lemons and we're just going to zest. Then we're just going to go ahead and use the juice from one of the lemons. Now we're going to go ahead and get this blended up. Now we're going to take a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, take a tablespoon of our poppy seeds, now we're just going to go ahead and start working in 2 1/3 cup of our flour. Alright y'all, so we have it all mixed together. We have a greased cookie sheet here, lightly greased. We're just going to take our scooper and put out some cookies. Alright, so once we have all of our cookies done, we're going to go ahead and throw our cookies in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so it's been 12 minutes. We're going to go ahead and let them cool on this baking sheet for about 5 minutes, then we'll pull them off, move them to a cooling rack. When my cookies are all said and done, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there we have them, lemon poppy seed cookies. If you like this video, go ahead, hit a like and subscribe button down below. There's something over here that YouTube thinks you should watch, and until next time, keep on cooking on.